Thank you everybody for your valuable time today. We hope to give you some new information, add value for your business, and enhance that with HPE. So Synergy started 25 years ago, 1998, with HP back at the time, Lenovo, IBM, and have continued to add additional OEMs as we progress through that 25-year journey. So let me tell you a little bit about who Synergy is, about Synergy. What we exactly are is an authorized channel distributor reporting sales back to the OEMs for revenue attainment on behalf of all the authorized resellers. And as I mentioned, as far as relevant to our HPE RPB discussion today too, platinum level distribution, again, all of those sales are reported back to HPE, and we have a long-standing relationship with those folks. And we are authorized by multiple OEMs to ship to Canada, US, Mexico, Caribbean, Central, South America. We can help you with all those needs. We've got a extensive inventory. We're located right outside the Twin Cities in Minnesota. And we are stocking literally millions of dollars of product on hand, drives, memory, options, component parts, you name it, all of that for multiple OEMs. And shipping those products directly to their end users for them, all the way from your largest Fortune 50 companies like Disney or Boeing or 3M and so forth, down to smaller operations, even doctors' offices. And we work with additionally a lot of data centers across the regions that we service and sell to. A lot of support options and products relative to HPE RPB today that they need to keep those networks up and running. Along with what we have in stock, we're going to be able to access HPE's entire product catalog. So again, you're talking about hundreds of thousands of SKUs that we have access to and can assist you in your channel. What we really pride ourselves in is being a trusted advisor, a one-stop shop. When you talk to one of our senior account managers here, they're also going to be able to help you and guide you through technical questions, part identification, and making sure that you're getting the right item that you need. We're not going to be transferring you to 4 or 5 different people, and it's going to go smoothly and quickly, and we're going to get you a quote turned around very quickly. So let's talk a little bit about what HPE genuine replacement parts options are. And you can see on the screen right there that what we're talking about again is HPE's full product catalog, all the way from ProLiant to your older Integrity, 3PAR, that entire catalog. And it's going to provide options such as drives, memory, controllers, adapter cards, transceivers, so forth, and all your component parts too, all the way down to the fans and the heat sinks and the cables and all of those. We're either going to have them in stock or access to those right away for you. And a couple real life examples that can really demonstrate how this can add value to your business, for instance, and how we can work in hand with Ingram and or Synnex where they don't have that product available. Is if you're selling 3PAR or you have 3PAR customers, you know then that the 8000 series, that line just went into life later last year. So again, we get a lot of requests specifically on that 3PAR 8000 line because folks are looking for options on how to continue to support their customers. Where can they get the components they need? How do they get upgrades and continue to support that? That's where we can help you. Once those things go end of life, you're not going to see those SKUs. You're not going to be able to buy those. So our niche in that marketplace is to help you stay in the channel. HPE wants this product to stay in the channel. That's where Synergy comes into play, and specifically the RPB side. So we'll be able to help you with, number one, genuine HPE parts and options, along with current firmware. And then when we're talking about 3PAR in particular, there's concerns about the OS system. We're going to be technically savvy enough to speak to you about, what level is it, 3.2 or where are you at, and make sure that you get the right drive that is going to work in there. We're going to get you the complete items you need and we can ship it directly to your customer if you'd like, right? And again, you know you're going to get the correct firmware and all of the items that are in these various kits that you need to keep Gen 9 going. And as Gen 10 continues to kind of, not at the point where it's phasing out, but as we move to Gen 10 Plus and 11s, Gen 10s, we have all of the options, all of the parts that you would need to continue to service those. And the best of both worlds really is we also stock for HPE the Gen 11 product. We have resellers coming to us where, hey, I can get the server, but I'm back ordered on the memory, or the memory right now through traditional side is priced out of the budget for our customer, and we really need to get to this. So we can help you with those various lines, but at least is as we get product that goes to the EOL side, we can be a real source for you to make sure that you're staying within the channel, you still get credit for it, and you know you're going to get genuine HPE product. As we move on and we talk a little bit about what are some of the pain points that our resellers are seeing out there. Well, sourcing is gradually coming back, but there are gaps and holes in that channel out there right now. We can help you with some of those harder to find items. You may have an entire solution, whether it be a networking one or servers or whatever it might be, and you've got one or two smaller items that are back ordered or you can't find. Try us. We may have them. We're stocking a lot of product here in Minnesota. We might be able to have that in stock or get it for you from HPE directly. And we're going to turn those items around for you. So when you talk to us, you're going to get a quote in minutes, less than an hour, depending on the size and scope of that request. And you're not going to be waiting for days. So we hope to help you with some of those pain points and alleviate some of that with a quick turnaround, a large inventory, and genuine guaranteed product. And you know, when you're buying from Synergy, how we try to operate is we're an extension of HPE. So you can rest assured the product will be genuine HPE product when you buy it from Synergy. And then just a quick brief snapshot. Here's the line card. We're going to offer you all of the options and component parts available for the full HPE product line. And we can help you with part number identification and compatibility on what you have. Then a quick snapshot. Again, this is not obviously our full inventory. We took a snapshot and tried to take some out of multiple categories here for you. So you can see we'll have spinning disks, your SSDs, backplane options for Gen 9, Gen 10, and even 11 as they become available, multiple memory options. And, you know, our pricing is going to be far below than what you would see on the traditional side that you may be sourcing it from. Any of our account managers can help you obviously with a specific quote, part identification, or some options that you're looking for any opportunities. And then all of these items at minimum come with a 1-year HPE warranty. That's not a Synergy warranty. Ours come with OEM warranties. That's a huge difference. That distinguishes us as a HPE distributor. So again, you know that you can count on what you're buying is original from us.
I would like to talk a little about the benefit of purchase from an authorized HPE distributor and also the meaning of functional equivalent parts. As an authorized HPE replacement part business distributor, Synergy operates under strict guidelines outlined by HPE to supply genuine and certified parts to their customers. These parts are the same parts that HPE use to support warranty calls in the field, and only parts purchased from an authorized distributor such as Synergy can be classified in genuine certified parts. All right, purchasing certified parts from Synergy means you are purchasing parts that are backed by HPE. This means if there is a problem with the parts and you contact Synergy, they have a direct link back to HPE to resolve any issue in timely manner. Purchasing certified HPE parts from Synergy eliminates many risks that can be found when purchasing from unauthorized sources. This includes things such as fire, data loss, poor quality, poor performance, invalid warranty, incompatible firmware, and in some cases, criminal consequences. An unauthorized source cannot protect you from this risk. As we discussed previously, there are many risks when purchasing HPE parts from an authorized source. A major risk of not purchasing from an authorized distributor such as Synergy is that you are opening the door to being sold counterfeit products. When purchasing from Synergy, the products will be in HPE packaging with all the proper logos, barcodes, and security labels. Installing counterfeit products in an HPE environment will void the warranty, which will lead to lots of unexpected costs, in addition to damaging relationships. So I really encourage you to guard against counterfeit products and only purchase from authorized source as Synergy. Okay, well, sometimes HPE produce parts that are considered functional equivalent parts. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this. These functional equivalent parts will have the same form, fit, function, and compliance as the original parts. Functional equivalent are produced to support legacy equipment with current technology. The functional equivalent will be the same size and perform just as good, if not better, than the original part. Most of the time, a functional equivalent is introduced when HPE is moving to a new generation of equipment, but still needs to support the older generation. Functional equivalents are backwards compatible in most cases. For example, let me take one example, a original ProLiant G8 SAS drive that runs at 6G. As ProLiant G9 is introduced, so is 12G SAS drive. To support the G8 with G9 parts, a functional equivalent is created. The functional equivalent is a G9 drive that is a 12G, but if it's the functional equivalent and placed in a G8 system, it will run at 6G. A functional equivalent will run the slowest speed of the other component in the system. So that's how the functional equivalence works. Of course, if you have additional questions about functional equivalence, please contact the Synergy Tech Support team.